Now, for our lesson 6, we have Filipino idiomatic expression. So, when we say malakas ang pakiramdam, it means feeling strong or the strong vibes. Okay, it could be, o malakas ang pakiramdam ko na hindi totoo yan. Malakas ang pakiramdam ko na hindi totoo yan. So you notice we don't have the silent letter here, and the na here means that. It's not a particle in the previous lesson that we discussed. So malakas ang pakiramdam ko na hindi totoo yan. So when we say totoo, it means true. Hindi totoo, not true. So you have this feeling that that thing was not true or is not true. There's no substance in it. So you say, malakas ang pakiramdam ko na hindi totoo yan. Another expression, idiomatic, we have mahina ang loob. When you say someone is mahina ang loob, it means she has no guts, okay, no confidence. Okay, weak-willed person. So you say, mahina ang loob ni Marie. You can also say, mahina ang loob ko. Another, maganda ang pakikitungo. So when you say maganda ang pakikitungo, it refers to how you deal with the person, with the visitor. So you say maganda ang pakikitungo ng mga Pinoy sa mga bisita. If the other way around, you can say hindi maganda, not good. Hindi maganda ang pakikitungo ng mga Pinoy sa mga bisita. So when you say Pinoy, refers to Filipino. Another, we have idiomatic expression, Filipino. We have matigas ang ulo, hard-headed. When you say someone is matigas, you say matigas ang ulo mo. You are hard-headed. Matigas ang ulo ni Marie. So you say matigas ang ulo, hard-headed. Nadulas ang dila. When you say nadulas ang dila, love to talk, loose tongue, nadulas ang dila ko, sinabi ko ang totoo. So totoo, true or truth. So you say nadulas, literally means slippery. So you say nadulas ang dila ko, it could be a secret that you suddenly burst out. So you say, nadulas ang dila ko. Sinabi ko ang totoo. Sinabi, I said the truth. So, sinabi ko ang totoo. This phrase, sinabi ko ang totoo, refers to or means I said the truth. Malambot ang puso. So, when you say malambot, it means soft. We mentioned this in the lesson 5. Puso here means heart. Malambot ang puso niya. Okay, she has a soft heart or soft-hearted person. Nagbigay ng maraming regalo, gift. Marami means many or plenty. Remember the expression, maraming salamat. It means many thanks. So, maraming regalo, many gifts. Nagbigay is to give. Malambot ang puso niya, her or his heart is soft. Nagbigay ng maraming regalo. She gave plenty of gifts. Another, malalim ang isip. When you say that someone or you have this malalim ang isip, you are in deep thought, deep thinking. Malalim ang iniisip mo. So you say malalim ang iniisip mo. Malalim literally means deep. Isip is to think or thought. Masarap sapakin. This is not a good word. Expression. When someone will say masarap sapakin, that person is really angry. So you say galit ako. When you say galit ako is I or me. You say I am angry. Masarap sapakin si Pedro. Masarap here doesn't mean delicious or good feeling pa. Just like you really want to, okay, slap Pedro. So you say masarap sapakin si Pedro. Sapak here means to slap. So when you say galit ako, I am angry. When you say galit ka, you are angry. Maliwanag pa sa sikat ng araw. Remember the word maliwanag, it means clear or bright. Okay? We use those words from the previous lesson with the idiomatic expressions. I hope you will not forget them. So when you say maliwanag pa sa sikat ng araw, something that was very clear, it could be an issue, situation. So you say maliwanag pa sa sikat ng araw na mali iyan. So the word na here means that is wrong. Mali is wrong, error. So when say maliwanag pa, still bright sa sikat ng araw, araw is sun. Okay, sikat is the shine, na mali iyan. So when say mali iyan, it means that's wrong, that's wrong, mali, wrong, error. So we have another expression, mahaba ang PC. So when you say mahaba, it means long by length. It has no other meaning. So when you say PC, it means rope. So kailangan ko ng mahabang PC sa babaeng iyan. Babae is girl, lady, woman. Iyon, that lady, that woman. So, I need long patience. Kailangan ko, it means I need. Ko here is I. So, when you say kailangan ko, this phrase means I need ng mahabang PC, long patience to that woman or lady. Babaeng iyan. So, we have connector here. Babae.